Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sujinur Fajria. I am from class PBIA. Today I will explain about phonetics as a study of speech sound. Okay, the first A. What is phonetics? Phonetics mean relating to the sound of word or to the sound that are used in language. Whereas, in my opinion, is phonetic is the study of how sound is produced. Next, phonetic is a study of speech sound. From the online search, a number of definitions of phonetics are found, such as defines phonetics as the science or study of speech, sound and their production, transmission, and reception, and their analysis, classification, and transcription. And explain of speech sound can be seen the word book. This word seems to have their sound, etc. B, U, and K, in which B is the representative of letter B, is the representative of letter K. And C, and part C, phonetic is a study of speech organs. Speech sound are simply produced by following air from the lung to the mouth. However, to vary the sound quality to be used for communicating ideas in speaking, we need articulation, that is the movement of speech organ, articulator. Articulator are the organs of speech that people use for producing the speech sound of a language. They include the lips, teeth, alveoli, palate, velum or soft palate, uvula, glottis, and various parts of the tongue. Rachel 2012 divide articulator into the types and etc. Passive articulation and active articulators. Active articulator move relative to passive articulator, which remain still to produce various speech sound in particular manners of articulation. And part D, phonetic as a study of speech production. Speech sound production refers to the process of using articulator to produce sound which is start from flowing the air provided by the lung. The air then goes through the glottis in the larynx that then is modified by the vocal tract, oral cavity, or vocal apparatus or nasal cavity into different qualities of sound, consonant and vowels. The benefit of phonetics is a study of English sound. First, problem in producing consonant sound. Therefore, it is first of all essential to show data regarding the learner problem in producing English consonant. The data are derived from a scientific research conducted by Tiono and Yostanto. And part B, problem in producing consonant vowel sounds. According to Oden 2005, the International Phonetics Alphabet or IPA divided English sound into 58 consonant and 28 vowels. The vowel consists of monophthong or pure vowels and diphthongs. Next, the benefit given by phonetics to cope with the problem from Brainly.com. The benefit of studying phonetics is that we can tell the different kind of voice for the throat body members such as tongue, nose, lung, lips. This is science only deals with the body part that produce sound. The production of English consonant sound. The first place of articulation. This refers to the specific location in the mouth in which two speech organs work together in production in consonant sound. The tongue and the teeth come together in forming a dental sound. There are six speech organs used to Other consonant sound. First, the lips, the teeth, the alveolar ridge, and the hard palate, and the soft palate or velum, and 4 parts of the tongue. Okay, next, manner of articulation. Manner of articulation describe two things. The first, how the different organ of speech interact one another in producing consonant sound. The second, how airflow is obstructed to affect the production of consonant sound. Quality, thus the manner of articulation is determined which present distinctive feature of consonant sound in the English language, because it is possible to make several different consonant sound at the same place of articulation. Therefore, manner of articulation give basic distinction of how consonant sound are made through 7 concept of manner of articulation: stop, fricative, affricatives, nasal, leather, and approximants. Next, the production of English consonant sound. First, what is distinctive feature in the consonant sound? In order to understand what distinctive feature is, it is essential that we know in its definition. One of definition of distinctive feature is available on http://yourdictionary.com, in which distinctive feature define as something unique or different that sets someone or something apart from the test. Next, how to identify distinctive features. These sounds are both identified as bilabial and stop sound to help the learner in this distinguishing both sound distinctive feature in the use, that is, so identify the sound distinction by knowing whether the vocal cords vibrate when the consonant sound are made or voiced. Next, the distinctive feature of consonant pairs: sound that do not have marked construction in the vocal tract, sound that have marked construction along the middle region of the feet. Next, consonant letters and their consonant sound. After studying the types of English consonant sound from the perspective of place, manner of articulation, the learner then need to the words. This is important because in English, a consonant letter usually represents or consonant sound, but some consonant letter, for example, C, G, S, may represent two different consonant sound. The following table gives information about English consonant letters and the representation of their consonant sound, which is able to help the learner pronounce English word correctly. Next, phonetic exercise for articulation English consonant sound. First, why student need phonetics exercise? So that the student might be fluent in English and can distinguish between almost the same letter mentioned or almost the same word mentioned. Next, what instruction the student need to do when doing phonetic exercise? Focus on making the required consonant sound. Think how to make the required consonant sound is instructed in the place of articulation and manner of articulation before making the sound. Produce the required sound slowly and accurately. When you get accustomed to making the sound accurately, then you can produce the sound fluently. See, the exercise for the English consonant sound or specific each sound, and practice the exercise in word at the least 10 words for one consonant sound, and articulate the sound as natural as possible by implementing your knowledge of phonetics. Voiceless bilabial stop sound: peel, piece, peer, pick, pin, pen, pair, pake, palm, par. Voiceless alveolar stop sound: tim, tip, tel, tan, task, tar, tol, ton, tau, top. Voice bilabial stop sound: b, bit, beer, big, bit, bass, bet, bar, bet, back. Voice alveolar stop sound: deep, deal, dear, deep, then, there, done, dark, door, dog. conclusion. Phonetics is the study of the sound. The study of phonetics is the most important thing, where we can tell how sound is produced and can distinguish the same sound. And I think Brainly, Collins Dictionary, and all who have participated in the complaint. I think that's enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.